Everyone, Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're just working on a property in Melbourne and they have this, what they call Pebblecrete, which is a very fine pebble, and it's basically put into some kind of glue, and then I think it might be sealed as well. The problem with this product that we have, much like many other products, not to say it's an issue with Pebblecrete, but is that if there isn't adequate drainage and the water sits on the surface for long enough, much like it does on bluestone or any other exterior surface, if there isn't sufficient drainage and the water is pooling as it is here, you can see the drains over there, but it's pooling in this area, it's not running off to the drain, so it's mould starting to grow. So we've actually washed this already with a chemical, so you can see here this is the finished result of the cleanup of the mould on the Pebblecrete. This product holds a lot of water, so there's if you look closely on this product, you'll see there's lots of tiny holes in between the pebbles, and that's where the challenge comes with it, because it basically holds moisture, and unless you've got really good drainage, it's just going to sit there, and so the mold will just grow really fast. And so there you go, but it takes a lot of work to rinse this as well, because of the amount of water that's held. So you can still see here, even where I've tried to move it towards the drain, the water is just basically sitting there on the surface, and you can see pools of it here. Anyway, nonetheless, the reason we were contracted was to remove the mold, and that's what we've done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.